everybody. I'm so happy to see that you came back to watch one of my videos again. I really appreciate that. Now on to the palette wall. This is the palette wall that I created. I ordered these clear shells from Amazon and the whole set was only $20. On Amazon, it's called the 8-pack nail polish rack wall mounted shelf clear acrylic nail polish organizer. So even though it's a nail polish organizer, it works great for this purpose. And it's very inexpensive. It came with a set of screws and these wall anchors, but I didn't want the screws to show through the shelf. And I didn't want to put 16 holes in the wall. So I used some Gorilla Glue squares. They're only like $5 at Walmart. And you get a pack of, I think it's 20. Yeah, a pack of 20 for like $5. And so I use those to stick these up here. And so far they hold really well. I've had this up for months now. I've swapped out palettes. I've rearranged and, you know, bumped into it a couple of times. And it's still holding up. So that was a good option. And the first thing that I did before I started this shelf, before I did anything else, was I measured out where I wanted it, and I used this level. This is a level and a ruler. So I used this tool to measure out where I wanted it and, you know, the spaces in between, and to make sure that each shelf was even. So I used that. This is a really handy tool for all kinds of projects around the house. It has the horizontal slant that you can measure the angle that you want to make sure that the angle is correct, and also vertical. So yeah, this is a very handy tool. So I took a pencil and made some very light lines on the wall where I wanted the shelves to go. And then I took the Gorilla Glue squares, stuck them onto the shelves, and then placed the shelves on the wall. I wanted to apply enough pressure on the wall to make sure that the shelves stuck, but I didn't really want to get fingerprints all over them, because then, of course, I would have to clean them off again. So I used the back of a makeup brush, like one of these, where it's rounded at the tip. And I used the brush to apply the pressure on the wall once I had the shelf placed. And then I let it cure for like 2 days before I decided to put any palettes on there, just to make sure. And I tested it out with a couple of palettes. I left them on there overnight to make sure that the shelf could bear the weight. And it was fine. So then I went ahead and put all the rest of my palettes on the wall. I decided to space them for these rectangular type palettes, because these are the ones that I tend to reach for more often. So that's why mostly what I have here are my rectangular palettes. My little square ones and minis and all that, they're stored in different places. This has been really handy, because as I sit here and put my makeup on, my palettes are right there, you know, easy to get. They come on and off. Let's take it off, use it, put it back. So if you like the way this looks and you'd like to organize your palettes in the same way, you can do so for right around 20 bucks. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.